Okay guys, on June 18, 2024, now you can see that this is my plant of sedum japonicum. The other name of this plant is Tokyo Sun sedum. Now you can see that I have a big mature plant of sedum. So now I will try to take some cuttings of this plant in order to grow new plants. So now I am just randomly cutting some of the cuttings, and I have cut down nearly 4 to 5 stem cuttings. Now we have taken the media, and media consists of simple sand and simple garden soil. Okay, now we have watered it out, and now you can see that how fastly the water is seeping down into the media. This actually tells us about the total effective drainage of the pot. Okay, now as you can see that I am using a very fine forceps for insertion of these stems, because if we just use some big forceps, the stems can break up. Okay, now you can see that I have got one break because it is a very delicate sedum. Now you can see that I am just inserting them out with the help of my forceps. Now I have inserted 3 of the small stem cuttings, and now this is our 4th one. So first we will make a little hole. This is a standard rule that first you have to make a hole and then you need to insert your stem cuttings. So I have inserted the 5th one now, just like this. And usually the success rate of this sedum in our area in northern Pakistan is 100%. If we have planted the succulents, it means that we are successful. Okay, on September 21, 2024. Now after a lot of days have been passed, and now we have grown. Okay, we are successful in growing a lot of shoots, and we have a very good progress on the root side as well. So now you can see it properly. Now I will go, and now you can see these as well. Now you can see from a close angle that how we have grown all this. And now you have to put or insert these out again in the pot, because it is an important plant for me and it has a lot of demand in the local market. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow a sedum japonicum or sedum Tokyo Sun plant from stem cuttings. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.